Okay, today we're going to take a look at our M5 security camera mount. It's a universal security camera mount that fits all brands and models. It's so brilliant, we patented it. So let's take a look at why you should be using this on your hard installations. We say it makes the hard jobs easy, and you're about to see why. So the brilliance of the M5 security camera mount came from 28 years of mounting to stucco and brick, every difficult installation you can think of, where we were going, boy, I really wish I had a mount that could do this or that. That's what went into the design of the M5 mounts. So let's take a quick look at it. You have the base and you have the lid. Now the base can be installed directly to any construction material, whether it's stucco or brick or concrete, you can mount right to it. But it's also brilliant because the hole pattern for mounting matches single gang electrical boxes and double gang electrical boxes. So you can mount right to a recessed single or double gang electrical box, which is what a lot of electricians do. They'll pull a Cat 6 cable into an electrical box and go, there's your security camera mount. The problem is no security camera, no one makes a security camera that matches a single gang or a double gang electrical box. This one does. So now that you've got it mounted, you have your choice of bringing the cables in directly from the back or using our cable guides here. You can run the cable right through the side of the back and in through the weather-tight mount into the mount itself. Then you take the lid, you mount the lid on there, you secure the lid with 2 screws onto the base. Your cabling comes through the center hole. You connect your camera, you push your cabling back into the hole. You put the watertight bushing around the cabling so you don't get any weather or anything in there. And then you use self-tapping screws to secure the camera to the mount. That's the brilliance of it. We don't pre-drill the holes. Every single security camera base has a different bolt pattern than the next one. But by using self-tapping screws, this mount fits any security camera with a diameter mounting base of 5 inches or less. It's brilliant. It'll cut the installation time in half. Okay, so here we are. We're installing into cinder block. The first thing you want to do is put your mounting hardware into the construction material. These are the 2 new screw mounts that we're going to use. These 4 here were from a previous camera, so we're retrofitting a previous install. So the first thing we do is we take the M5 mount and we secure it to the wall. Excellent. That's not going anywhere ever. The next step is we want to put our watertight bushing around the cabling so we don't get weather coming in and corroding our fittings. Looking good. The next step, we want to put the M5 lid onto the base. Okay, looking good. Now the next step, we want to put the camera's mounting base onto the M5 lid. Now the next step, we want to connect the camera to the cable. And we want to push the excess back into the mount. Then we secure the camera to its base with its bezel. That's it, we're done. Now we just have to aim and focus the camera. Do you want to know the do's and don'ts of installing security cameras? Do you want to know the secrets that the pros use to install security cameras? Do you want free expert system advice on designing your system? We provide all of that for you, and the only thing you've got to do, right there, subscribe.